Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to delete videos and fix from memories on Snapchat account. So first thing that you will do is simply open up a Snapchat application into your device, and down below on the left side of the screen you will see here the two card icon. So just simply tap on that on the bottom left side. And from here, guys, you should be able to see all of your memories from Snapchat. So in order for you to delete it, just simply tap on it. And from here, you should be able to see the three dots at the top right. And from here, you should be able to see here, delete snap. Tap on delete. And from there, you should be able to delete it. Now, for the next option that you have is tap on the icon on the top right corner of the screen, the check icon. And from here, guys, you should be able to select multiple pictures and videos. And down below, you should be able to see the delete button. So tap on that and just simply tap on delete. And from there, you'll be able to remove it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any question, just comment down below. And thanks for watching. See ya.